Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Payhip. In order to do so, here we are at payhip.com. And what is Payhip all about? Well, you can sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platform. We make it easy for you to sell anything online anywhere, and you can get started for free entering your email address here. Let's check out the pricing. So there is the free tier, which is really quite nice. There's a 5% transaction fee for that, so keep that in mind. Then from there, we're moving up to the plus at $29 per month with a 2% transaction fee. And then there's the pro for $99 a month, and there is no transaction fee for that. So what does Payhip do? It's an all-in-one platform for digital downloads, online courses, coaching, memberships, even physical products. Your store, your way. Build your website within minutes, connect a custom domain, embed on your existing website. Trusted by over 130,000 creators, you're in great company. Get the help when you need. They're here for you every step of the way. Contact support 24/7, whether you're troubleshooting issues or looking for advice. Find the help center here as well. So if you are interested in trying out Payhip, head over to payhip.com. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our playlist all about Cintra to help you get started. And if you click on our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.